Oh.
No.哎，请问一下，今天有买一送一吗？
今天没有，
今天没有。
没有。
完了。嗯。哦哦。You want?
Baja baja.
Which one? Small and medium.
Here. Hepatitis.
This. Small, medium, big.
Medium, medium.
You big, huh?
Okay.
Only different.
Okay.
This one?
这个吗？特大杯的吗？
对。
好。
还有这个一个。
这两个各一杯，然后都特大杯的。
对。
各一个，然后都是这个 size 的。
一样 size。
一样 size。
对。
好，一个这个，一个这个。
对。
好。
哎，等一下，这个 Java chip，这个还 which one？Which one you want？This one？This one？哦，不对，这里。给我这个两个就好了。
好，这个一个改这个，然后另外一个嘞？
这个两个就好了。
这两个，
对。
然后 which one？这个吗？
哦哦，大杯。Yes. Never mind. You don't want to order?
这样390，袋子要吗？
不用。
那你500。好喽，前面稍等一下哦。
好，谢谢。这是我们 nothing fake news, fake information. We get fake information. Then, okay. Okay, sit down. Why? You not double check. How can I want to run away? Oh, it's okay. You off lah. Good job. Good job. Today we drink naga expensive the
Expensive one.
Sorry.
May siyang doon.
Oo.
Kami siyang, dito to, kami nag-away. Ewo siya, when we going to morning shift, he asked me.
Oo.
Then he asked,
Change? Morning, why must change?
kasi, kasyang siyang bubuntis. Anyway, I always have OT, ah.
Oo.
Then he asked me, why some honey going to morning? Morning.
Why?
I
You mean you ask yourself why?
no, I shock because I always bakit kang ask me OT will always say no. When start me.
Yeah.
Morning, morning. No, so sayang, no? May buntis ha, balik.
You think you is buntis?
Yeah. I think they think that I'm pregnant. Tawa, bali o so. Bali, way sa mo morning, may buntis ha, bali ma. Way sa mo, ni otimin-timin. I already tired, that's why I want to rest. But I know the flight when May 1.
No, but like, very impossible. You don't want to OT only just like that. Impossible. Why? Because we think you always seem to bakikang. You know.
I told her last day,
Mm-mm.
last day that I'm not going to work at Taso.
Huh?
I will
No. She don't know if you want to change it.
change some.
Like work. She don't know.
She don't know I have
Bakikang?
I already told her when hindi man home yan change last day third night
Third night?
Oo, this third
This
night
last?
Oo, third night
Why? Nobody. No, I said nobody come ng office tell.
Then,
Mm-mm.
hi May. Anyway, I tell office already in 27. I'm on.
You also like that?
I don't want to too early.
Then, why?
I don't like to somebody know. There's a few of my friends. They know I already applied, but not all.
No, I said why ng big office no give information to Bakikang?
I think
No,
coming Monday.
nobody know.
Nobody knows. Anyway, Ate Lily, so she will tell the office on, I don't know, 28 eh. Then, butitaw tamin na may kantaw nag-email.
But
that I already
you
replied.
said to big office urgent or what?
I already tell on
Early?
Monday. Monday. This Monday.
Not early?
Not early.
Why?
I don't like. May point siya, there's
Same
no...
to me always I always like secret I don't to tell to everybody
I
know.
don't like.
You know that.
I don't want to tell them that I already... Yun sa tao naga Shelly na Pilipina.
Which
Naga Queenie friend. Naga meme, naga Queenie naga asawa. The sister.
Oo.
That si taway sawa. Kita chang. Anyway, when I tell Bakikang that I want to resign. He was there. She said, he heard our conversation. That's why last night. Oh, taso you're going Playa. I shocked. I know that I never tell her. Sabay, why sa muna sitaw? Ahong suwa. Ahong chismosa ba? Where
you know answer. Gossip.
So yeah, before we're no only me, Lota, and Ira Alina, only there, only 3 of us. Now, I tell Bakikang Ate Bren, and you only. I don't know if I will tell somebody.
No, you sa I'm not going work.
Yeah, that's what I tell you.
Too late.
I don't want to know that everybody is going
Then when you last day?
4. I think
What?
4.
What?
Because 10 I already play.
You 10.
Yeah, 10. I have already 3 days to work.
You wanted to work hard, no. Just left only few days,
When she
Like to me,
balik.
You always sit like that. No more. I think Bakikang is shocked.
So yeah, chef ko tada baby put yan la mayo lang. Geisha, tada baby yung geisha. Na takan ka nagaswelay vacation. I think this month
Who?
Swelay.
Hmm? Vacation?
This June, toy, na 20 days. Na tarin siyang ta siyang nag-get sa new you say to
Mm-mm.
sabi so, siya yung sabi. Kuya, wala ka. Bali-bali. Kuya, Lily, I want to work only kapan to
Oo.
hawla. How I need to output.
You
like that.
think, don't give me other job again?
Yeah, I don't like that.
If you can do more,
Job, more headache. Huh? More other
tired,
job,
more tired, yeah,
more headache.
yeah.
Only like that the salary the same.
Mm-mm.
Why do I want get some another?
Don't do more working
Yeah.
because salary is the same.
Yeah,
Different,
true.
different lah. You get more.
Yeah.
You get plus bonus.
Bonus.
Oo,
Yeah.
every month because more job. Tired, ha?
Taiwan rin, okay
Oo.
Meanwhile, puhaw.
Oo.
Only lele you can get. Nagahumpaw every 3 months.
Mm-mm. But
Yung only
But
1,000.
but you apply already?
I already applied. Already 1 year. Before, I already applied.
Early.
Early.
You early apply.
You
Then now you
Before, my visa was denied.
Mm-mm.
But first, I applied.
yeah.
Then, last year, before a vacation, I
Oh.
already visa.
Da.
That's why I go vacation. Nandiyan ako vacation May, April na. Ay,
Oo.
nang January.
January.
December, I already get my visa.
Mm-mm.
That's why I get vacation. Because
Wow.
I thought April I go fly.
Mm-mm.
But
Late.
my agent saw this May 1 that
Mm-mm.
I need to fly early. That I tell her that can I fly June?
Mm-mm.
That's why I June. If I tell her this May, I already fly. But I want to say that I say that I need to settle first here. I need to finish my things and at my sister I need to.
But now it's already right.
Yeah, already okay lang.
Then you go home Philippines first. After
No.
that, no?
I go
Continue
straight there.
straight from here.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I have already ticket Philippines kay nimin po kay women you kay you can process her the visa women Philippine kay.
I know the process.
Yeah.
Then I see already my friend before.
Yeah. But you nimin kay ma iyang kay.
Very difficult.
Women high
Not cannot say cannot, but very difficult. Naga need so many documents.
I already have documents before because when I go there, before when I
You
vacation,
prepare already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that. I see the process, my friend before. You know.
Only I same country.
Yeah. Same Canada. From
Here.
this Taiwan. Yeah. Before
Why you not try?
before I'm changing this company, I know. My friend have one. She also like you prepare document, go home, then after that come back here again. But nobody know. Then she apply document. Then after that already she talk to boss.
And my brother also in Manila. Some of my documents need to come from Philippines.
Oo.
I'm vacation.
Mm.
I need to sign authorization.
Oh.
Then he can process there. Then he can send me. That's only the process.
But but I know if your husband there,
Different.
very easy to pick up you.
Very easy if he already PR
Oh,
resident there. But my husband is not.
that's not.
Jaime.
How long already?
He worked there. It's more than 1 year.
1 year?
1 year.
Oh,
It's too early.
resident permanent is maybe 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
It's too early to process my process.
I know. I know.
His boss get me. That's why I go there for all the work, not for get each other.
You know, I know the process. I know that before I want to going there so long time early, but I know very difficult.
How much he spend? He spend the
More. Need more money.
200,000. No, not only.
If from Taiwan, my friend before, maybe 50,000, but
Taiwan dollar.
oh no, but only for the aeroplane or what, but that one is a borrow, not cash, not cash.
My plane was the my boss, my naga boss
There.
pay.
Oo,
But some documents, some need to process there. I'm the
you pay.
Yeah, I pay. I think Philippine money
Oo.
100,000.
But they can give borrow half
No, I don't need. I
there.
don't. I no, I never borrowed money there.
You pay all.
Yeah, I pay.
You pay yourself
Yeah,
all cash.
yeah.
How much you spend?
Because the big one I pay on my pass my papers 100,000
Mm.
in Philippine money.
Mm.
I think there is on 60,000.
Mm.
There's some medical, there's
Mm.
some documents I need to
Mm.
process. I think I spend money 120,000 Philippine yen.
Mm.
I think there's maybe 70,000 like
70,000
Taiwan money.
all?
I
Sure.
think because yeah, no 100,000 Taiwan yen. Anyway, would process in Philippine yen
Very cheap lah.
because the the person the person who pass our paper is
Mm.
not you need to pay like this. She's not like that.
I know that. Different Indonesia.
Yeah, different person, different yaw money
Because
tata.
naga big money want to give her,
Yeah.
give there,
Yeah, yeah,
give
yeah.
here.
Because she only one person process our papers. Iyang may with my husband friend,
Mm.
iyang my husband papers.
Oo.
She always process there. That's why not too big. You can pay her not too big. Maybe
Yeah.
if I will pay back, beg, if my ticket I will pay. Because the ticket, I think more than 50,000 Taiwan dollars. But I did not pay my ticket. The boss was pay my ticket. That's why I did not pay too much money. They some pay,
Very cheap,
yeah,
I know Philippine people like to go in there.
yeah. Because there, I can work, I want to work there because money, not too far with my country.
Then after 2 years you can get your sister, your family going there. Find
Maybe if
find some work.
maybe if you're settled
If you
the
want to
president,
change the resident there, also can.
yeah, you can.
Unlimited.
Yeah, not like here is not like there.
Mm-mm.
If they have resident here, I want to work here because the climate,
Mm.
the weather is not too cold. It's not too far the weather like
The weather
Philippines.
is summer,
Yeah,
summer, snow.
yeah. There it's too cold.
Oo.
I can say my husband is walking this.
Like
there's a lot of
refrigerator.
snow. It's too cold. It's too cold there.
Then like Unishield.
Yeah. But you need to, if you're thinking your future,
Oo.
you go there because it's good, because you
Mm-mm.
can work unlimited. It's not like there. You only finish 12 years like you can go home.
Mm.
No more. You can find a job in other country.
Canada is good.
Yeah.
I know it's my dream before. My dream. Canada is my dream before. When I stay here, maybe 1 year, one year first going to Taiwan. I
Why
want
you
to
did
go
not
in there.
try?
I know that, but it's very difficult. I think it's impossible.
But your friend, okay. The documents given because I have already document. But you need to, it's different if you get higher school.
Mm.
I mean you go college before.
Mm.
It's different because my husband it's too long to process his document its residence because
You
he
know
was-
that this process is a so long time, right? Not very easy also.
because his friend my husband friend or it's they come first before my husband came
Mm.
there. But they're still there still today her them the PR, the resident paper
Mm-mm.
not yet come out. But they already processed.
Mm.
Already 2 years my husband coming 2 years the process. But they're the friends I mean but they've already processed they wait the card that they already were president. Too long.
Then you think if no family there is also difficult, right?
Yeah, difficult.
Oo. Then you long how long you apply before until now?
Because I applied last year I think November
November?
or
1 year?
October. No, last year
Last year?
yeah.
Why very fast? Oh, I know you
Because
husband there.
no, because his boss get me.
Mm-mm.
That's why it's not too long the
Mm-mm.
process. But if your process is like you're only you go there
Oo.
different pathway. I mean
Yeah.
it's too long. But if you have a boss there, they will give you it's called Ilmiya.
Mm-mm.
The it's like there is the working visa. You can work there. It's if they provide you.
Easy to
Easy
process.
to process.
Mm-mm.
Not like na that's some a different pathway.
Oo.
They so long process like
Mm-mm.
that.
Oh, I know that.
But I get the process of working visa. That's why it's
How
not
you know to find out agency from
it's
here?
not agency.
What?
It's like called consultant. It's only there have no agency there.
Mm-mm. Here.
No, no agency.
Help you to process?
Yeah, I'm only process.
I know that. Then how you process, huh?
I go there the embassy of Canada there in Taipei.
Here?
Yeah.
Taipei?
Yeah.
Embassy?
Yeah. Di kita naga-ichiran na. Napien na.
Taipei?
Ichiran naga-ramen na. Japan.
Never small place?
Oo, small place. Napien yun.
Then you know there have Taipei area behind.
Behind na.
Maybe I going there before, you know.
Di kita naga-ichiran mo. Naga-food, napien.
I
Naga-big
forget
building.
lah, but I know that now. That
Red
one.
lane.
Hmm?
Red lane. You need to take MRT red lane.
Red line? No. Behind only, ah.
Yeah.
Behind
Mm-mm.
Taipei means only.
Ganda.
I going there before, you know. I with
Because-
my friend.
Yeah. Every day she...
Maybe only one there. Maybe.
Only one because I thought the building is too old.
Small? Small. Big?
Not so big, not so small. Kaya
But you know, a lot of Philippine people going there.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
maybe there.
I always
It's true.
see the different persons there. They go there to sit process like that.
Holy high. Ngobrol sama temanku orang Filipin. You can say hello, Sari Joy.
Hi.
See you next video. Don't forget to like, share, and